guys, and today I'm going to be guessing what number block snoring effects the characters are snoring. So I'll have to find some snoring clips so I can do.
Okay? So, yeah. Okay.
What about if I...
Make any noise. Sleeping Beauty is asleep. Oh, I see. You want her to play with you.
Okay. I know it. Sleeping Beauty
From Incredible.
She's snoring 42. I get it. Get it, 42! Okay, maybe
Another snoring clip from this part. Maybe that one.
Alice? She's moving. Keep playing. Nothing can wake Sleeping Beauty up.
What about Alice?
Beauty woke up. What's that? No way. Oh, Alice is sleeping so peacefully.
Alice is snoring 85.
Okay.
Click, create, rip, repeat. Take a selfie, add a frame. Click and rip, never the same. Add a filter, film and play. We print cam in our own way. Kitty Zoom print cam from VTech, the best kit tech from VTech. Each school differently. Wake up!
Honey Lemon is snoring 85. Timmy Turner is snoring
Between 83 and
93.
Less than 7.
Bro, this dwarf is snoring, I'm 75. Duh. How can we ever know what number block snoring effect that dwarf is snoring? Duh. Okay, I got it. 66. He's snoring 53.
okay, so this is me signing off.